Pachipamwe, and welcome to today's lesson, where we will cover the chiShona orthography or chiShona alphabet. chiShona is written using the Latin alphabet and uses 22 letters of the alphabet. On the other hand, it has over 70 sounds. These sounds do not have their own letters, but are made up by combining letters as needed. We will learn the alphabet and its sounds using a Mora system. That is, we will give a consonant and a vowel and say the sound together. An example is the consonant B with the vowel A is the Mora ba. The consonant B with the letter E is the Mora be. BI is B, BO is bo, and BU is bu. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. To get us started, we will start with the vowel sounds. There are 5 vowel sounds. These are clear vowels said with the mid-tone, very similar to Italian and Japanese vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Now we will do the Mora for all the simple consonants. That is the 17 consonants in the alphabet that are not combined with any other consonant to make a sound. B, ba, be, bi, bo, bu. D, da, de, di, do, du. F, fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. G, ga, ge, gi, go, gu. H, ha, he, hi, ho, hu. J, ja, je, ji, jo, ju. K, ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. M, ma, me, mi, mo, mu. N, na, ne, ni, no, nu. P, pa, pe, pi, po, pu. R, ra, re, ri, ro, ru. S, sa, se, si, so, su. T, ta, te, ti, to, tu. V, va, ve, vi, vo, vu. W, wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Y, ya, ye, yi, yo, you. Z, za, ze, zi, zo, zu. That is all for the simple consonants. See you in the next lesson for the compound complex consonants, where 2 or more consonants are combined together to make a sound. Toa nana.